The biggest closet I've ever had in a hotel room in my entire life. Boom.
The glass is literally as big as your face. I can't believe you just did that.
In the building.
Doozies?
They beat us here.
You?
They beat us here. How's that
How's that possible?
Jinx.
You know what I mean?
A beer.
Okay. Stoozies! Welcome, welcome, welcome. You are here with us in
Zurich, Switzerland. I don't know if
Yay! We are now going to do a room tour for you, courtesy of your boy Rob, who'll be working hard and gaining up them points. So without further ado, yeah, take it away, Rob.
So, I don't know, hotel rooms crack me up in general, because I'm just never really in them that often, even though I stay at one all the time. But in case we would like to sit at our nice table.
There you go.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I can't say it's that comfortable, but it's not too bad. Nice little TV.
We do have a nice, it's a Samsung, probably a smart TV then. Nice view of the
oh yeah, great view.
Concrete here.
Great view. It's a green screen.
Great
we chose the
view.
Concrete.
Yeah, we definitely chose the concrete on the green screen.
We have the throne room. This is a little side bathroom that I will be having the pleasure of enjoying. Large king bed. Oh, nice and soft. We got some cookies.
Oh no.
What is it?
Oh yeah. Oh, cool. Glad I can eat you, Speckly. Little touch thing.
The biggest closet I've ever had in a hotel room in my entire life.
Yeah. So true.
It is literally a walk-in.
Yeah. Woo. There be light. That's how you feel.
We got the tub.
You're way more fun in your room tour than I am. Oh yeah?
Comes with all the essentials.
It really does. Oh!
Toothbrush.
Oh!
Comb.
Okay.
Towel.
Yeah.
Oh. And
last but not
finally,
least,
the ladies' bathroom. Complete with a bidet, foot washer, maybe, I don't know.
Something.
Wait.
That's probably not gonna get used.
Boom. But that's it.
And where are we at?
We got the upgrade. The room's looking good. Besides, we miss our view.
Yeah.
The Mediterranean.
Yeah.
Now it's just Swiss concrete.
Yeah.
But
not complaining because I guess the room's pretty nice.
Room's
So
nice, big. Allows you to stretch out a little bit. We're checked in. Showed you the room. Now it's time to check out the rest of Zurich.
So we made it to our first stop. Yeah, and look at this. It is a literal liter. It is. You take a sip of that, Rob. Oh, it's gonna be in your beard. I love it. Yes, it's in the beard.
That's the phone, really.
Really?
We're going German, or we're going Swiss.
This thing is legit. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, oh my gosh.
Thank you.
It's beer, for sure. It's good though. It is really good beer. And they served our water and wine glasses. I feel fancy now. He's chugging. Oh, chug, 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 chug. The glass is literally as big as your face. I'm tired.
Oh man, it's so hard. Such a hard life to eat veal and rusty and chug beer.
So hard.
Walk 8 minutes, get a brush.
Why are we walking 8 minutes after the brush?
Because our Dead Sea ate our bag.
Can't chug like we used to. The last drops. Woo! Out of the pint. Took us coming to Switzerland to finish a pint by ourselves. Well, that is quite a handsome dog. Off-leash dogs over here must be really popular, and I quite like the matter because I've seen more off-leash dogs over here than in America. So I am fully starting to believe that it is more about the dog's training than the breed of the dog. Like, it's more about how you train the dog, how you treat the dog, how you know, behave with the dog than it is the dog just being aggressive out of nowhere. Like, people are crazy with their, like, no off-leash because of dog breeds being mean. Like, that's just unreal. But anyways, Rob is now taking us down some streets. The calves are starting to hurt. And we will check in when we hopefully find a hairbrush. Saw some lady drink this water and now Rob's gonna do it, so. Oh yeah, totally. Totally on this one. I can't believe you just did that. Oh no! Oh, you're sick already! So, when he has the later, I'll let you guys know. Robbie and I are headed back on the 5 after a little bit of an adventure today. Minor. We just went and got like a hairbrush, charged our phones, got some chippies that I can show you guys when we get back. But now we're headed to get some
Zoupa.
Soup. Jinx, you owe me a soup.
No.
Yes. So we're gonna head that way and then we'll check in, I guess, when we get there. What did you just do?
I'm doing this.
and hopefully get some hot chocolate or something there. I really like that people in Switzerland sit outside a lot. Like, it's like cool out, but it's not chilly. Maybe that's just because I'm in 2 sweaters and 2 pairs of pants, but I like that they sit outside. Like, everybody just likes to sit outside and just eat and talk and laugh and enjoy wine or beer or whatever. Like, a lot of places that you see, like, people sit outside, and I don't know if that's just because it's still kind of like fall, but now they're saying like they're entering their winter time, so I'm not sure if that goes away in the winter time, but at least for right now, it's beautiful out, and it's like so nice to see people just sitting outside, like,
that's so cool.
Just chilling and having a good time in the good air. We will check in, I think, when we get to Felix's. So we got our stuff. We're pumped. Got little breads. Got a hot chocolate. Here's the soup. It's the soup.
Not what I expected.
Yeah, definitely not what I expected.
Soup.
Yeah.
The chocolate unveiling. So we went to this pretty cool little chocolate shop
called Felix's.
Here we go. So we got a goodie bag. Ooh. This is the salted caramel.
Yeah.
And then we got I got just like a normal truffle, I think.
And a Bailey's.
And a Bailey's.
And then he gave us the champagne one.
Yeah. And then, yeah, this is their staple, I guess.
Yeah. And then I
Simone wanted the orange.
wanted to try the candied orange.
So we're gonna dig into these chocolates.
Comment down below which one he goes for first. You have the orange, the salted, the regular, the Bailey's, or the champagne. Which one? Oh, come on, the regular,
This is the one I ordered
the plain guy. Oh, maybe that's the Bailey's. Here's me trying the orange. I feel like I've always wanted to try one of these though. I see them on, so like on YouTube. I've really been interested lately in like food,
Foodie.
Such a foodie. So like there was this one where it was showing how to like candy like oranges. It's pretty damn good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Really good.
Well, we gotta save the staple, I think, for the end. Let's go to salted caramel.
Salted caramel next.
Salt hits you pretty hard at first, though, which is crazy. You try the Bailey's first.
Oh, thank you.
There's a tooth. Getting the Bailey's?
Yeah. I think maybe it's like literally Bailey liquor.
Oh yeah, I could taste the liquor right away. The final one, the staple of Felix's chocolate shop, Zurich, Switzerland.
The champagne truffle. Uh-oh.
No, that's good.
Uh-oh.
That's good.
But, how's it?
It kind of tastes
white
easy first, too.
Really?
At first, it kind of does.
I mean,
I had a sugar buzz.
yeah. Fortunately, if I was gonna pick, I'd probably pick the champagne over the Bailey's. Rob sugared out for the year.
Successful first day. First half a day, really, too.
Yeah, true.
I've only been here 6 hours, like outside the airport.
True.
6, 7 hours. And we've eaten a lot of words I can't pronounce.
And then some chips.
Hot chocolate. There we go. And yeah, and grocery store chips.
We're gonna close out this weekend's vlog. Travel-sode is what we're gonna start calling them. So hopefully you enjoyed the last travel-sode of Israel, kind of like the first travel-sode of Switzerland. But day one officially of the travel-sode of Switzerland begins next weekend. So make sure you stay tuned for those. Watch them, they're amazing. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to. It would mean so much to us, because then we know we're making good content for you guys. And with that, travel often, always spread positivity, and cherish every experience.
All love from the Stoozies. We'll see you next weekend in Zurich.
Bye. Click your heels. Here's a better shot of Rob going in.